My name's Jay Mahaffey. I'm 38 years old, originally born here in Greer, South Carolina. How this business came about, JP and I here actually worked together 20 some odd years ago as residential installers together, and recently had an opportunity to buy the business from my family. The business started early in the 40s and evolved into a partnership for 50 years between Jerry Tuck and Hayden Howell. Earlier this January, JP and I had an opportunity to buy the company. We have restructured the business to target a little bit more of residential and also picked up plumbing. So the top three things to winterize your home from a plumbing aspect would be, number one, covering the outside faucets to prevent water from freezing. We call it freeze protection. They make about an $8 or $9 styrofoam cover. It goes over your outdoor faucet. The second thing I would recommend for freeze protection is to close your outside vents from the outside to prevent cold air from getting underneath your house. The third thing I would do to prevent water from freezing in your pipes: below freezing temperatures, open your cabinet doors and leave the faucet on a drip. In most cases, running water will not freeze.